Are you in search of the top 3D scanning services in the bustling city of Ram Puri in Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to cater to all your needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, they are undoubtedly the best in the business. Their commitment to providing the highest quality services makes them stand out from the rest. Whether you have a small project or a large-scale one, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a name that you can trust. Their team of skilled professionals is dedicated to delivering exceptional results and ensuring customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of accuracy and precision in 3D scanning, and they go above and beyond to meet their clients' expectations. With their advanced equipment and cutting-edge technology, they can capture even the finest details with utmost clarity. One of the reasons why Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is considered the top 3D scanning service provider in Ram Puri, Delhi NCR, is their commitment to innovation. They continuously invest in the latest software and hardware to stay ahead of the curve. This enables them to offer their clients the most advanced 3D scanning solutions available in the market. With their expertise and access to cutting-edge technology, they can handle a wide range of projects, from architectural scans to industrial inspections. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in delivering top-notch customer service. Their team is not only highly skilled but also friendly and approachable. They understand that every project is unique and requires personalized attention. That's why they take the time to understand their clients' specific needs and provide tailored solutions. From start to finish, they ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience for their clients. Are you looking for the top 3D scanning services in Ram Puri, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and experienced team, they provide the highest quality 3D scanning services in the area. Whether you need to scan a small object or a large architectural structure, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. Their attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction is unmatched, making them the go-to choice for anyone in need of top-notch 3D scanning services. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other scanning services is their dedication to using the latest technology. They have invested in cutting-edge 3D scanners that can capture even the tiniest details with precision and accuracy. Whether it's for industrial purposes, product design, or even artwork, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd can handle it all. Their team of skilled professionals knows exactly how to operate these advanced scanners to ensure that you receive the best possible results. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their extensive experience